Hello, this is the protocol Kaptur GPS 2. I've made this video because of these guys right here, the blade guards. You'll notice if you've got them, the manual just says to go ahead and snap them in. If you've been looking online, you found no one knows how or nobody talks about it. Well, they don't just snap in, or at least as far as what I found, although you'll notice mine are in. So, for all those that are suffering with that and don't want to break it, if you turn around and you look, you'll see these 4 screws right here on the end. What you do is you loosen those. You can even take them out if you want, but you don't have to spread it apart, and that lets you spread this apart. And you'll notice on that, when you get them apart or before you put it in, there's a little notch on one side and a large notch on the other, and you'll see inside here on the bottom that there is a small notch. So they slide in, they go in, and then you push it back together and tighten it down. If you'd like me to demonstrate, I can go ahead, but it's pretty easy, I swear. But you do have to do that. I did that, had no problems. I've also been playing with it a little bit. I am a beginner, and these have saved the blades. So there you go. Very short and sweet. Thank you.